In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Calendar and create a desktop shortcut in Chrome. Let's get you into your schedule quickly and make it effortless to open again later. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, whichever you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type calendar.google.com and press Enter. This takes you straight to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Go ahead and sign in so your calendars load. Make sure you're using the account where your events are saved, especially if you use more than one Google account for work or personal use. Once you see your calendar, you're ready to use it. If you plan to check it often, it helps to keep it easy to reach. One quick option is to keep the tab handy by pinning it or creating a shortcut for faster access. Pinning will keep the tab small and locked to the left of your tab bar, so it's harder to close by mistake. And a shortcut gives you a one-click way to open it without typing the web address each time. If you're using Google Chrome and want a convenient desktop shortcut that opens Google Calendar like its own app, here's how to set that up. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. From there, select More Tools, then choose Create Shortcut. A small window will appear. Check the box that says Open as Window. This tells Chrome to open Google Calendar in its own clean, app-like window without the browser tabs and address bar. Click Create to finish. You now have Google Calendar as a standalone window on your desktop. The next time you need to check your events, you can open it directly from that shortcut without navigating through your browser. This setup is great for focus because it looks and feels like a dedicated app. You can move or rename the shortcut like any other desktop item to keep things tidy. That's all you need. Open your browser, go to calendar.google.com, sign in, and optionally keep it handy by pinning the tab